Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Klevere. So Klevere AI is a content writing platform. So you can get various content using the AI of this tool. But the best part is you do not have to be an expert on prompt in order to write various content on this platform. Klevere has templates, or as they call them, workflows. So it has various workflows that can write content for a lot of purposes. So it could be for marketing or for sales or for HR, and Klevere AI is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $400, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. This tool is an alternative to 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you will get access to all the automated workflows. You can talk to the AI strategy chat. There are over 35 workflows and all of the future workflows are also included with this deal. And the platform is available in 15 plus languages, and you will also get access to all the future languages. And there are a lot of integration options. You will get access to all the current and future integrations. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59, where you have 500 workflow credits, 10,000 words per month. You can have only one user on your account, and you can also generate 10 AI images per month. But if you need more limits, you can opt for the tier 2 that has 1,500 workflow credits, 40,000 words per month. You can add 5 users. You can also generate 25 AI images. There is also tier 3 that gives you 5,000 workflow credits, which is massive. You get 120k words per month. You can add unlimited users, another great feature, and you can generate 100 AI images per month. So if you want to buy Klevere AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Klevere. So this is the dashboard. So on here you can see the usage rate, you can see how many spots you have for your company, you can see how many words you have used, and you can also get access to the workflow, the categories of the workflow, and at the bottom of the page you will get the recent activity log. So let me first go to this marketing workflows on this left side, and as you can see these are all the marketing workflows. So let's try one. For example, I want to generate some social media post, so let's click on this. And now I have to provide all these details. So first is the topic of my post. So here's the topic. Now I have to provide the goal of this post. And then I can choose the tone. So it could be conversational, enthusiastic, humorous, or also professional. So for example, I want enthusiastic. And then I can also choose the language for the content. So if I want an Arabic content about this topic, so I have to select Arabic from here. So here are all of the language options. So I'm just going to select English. And then I can select how many variations I want. So I just want one variation. And then I can also select the media from here. So let's select Instagram. And if I want the AI to also generate images along with written content, I have to make sure I enable this include images. And then there is also an additional question. So I can also provide more details about my target audience on this box. So this way the post will be more personalized towards that audience. And then I have to click on this generate. Okay, so we have got the text content, and to be honest, this is a very good content. And here are the images. So wow, I have to say the images look amazing simply. So if you remember, the topic of my post was new NBA shoe collection. And as you can see, the post is super relevant to that. And the images are also super relevant as well. So you can see the NBA shoes. You can also see the basketball and even socks, I think. So I have to say the output of Klevere is simply amazing. So now I can copy this post directly to this editor if I click on this. So as you can see now it is here. And on the editor, I also have the text formatting options. And there is another feature on Klevere that I really like. That is this bulk run. So you can run multiple workflows at the same time in order to save you time, which means you can create a lot of content at the same time. So just click on this. So currently we are bulk running this social media post. So we have to provide the topic on here, then the goal, then the tone. So we have to select all these details, and then we can add more rows. So if you just click on this, as you can see another row has been added. So you can add as many rows as you want. And then you can provide all of the topic names on here and the goal of your social media post and fill all these details. And then you can run all the workflows at the same time. So this way you can bulk generate a lot of posts at the same time. And other than the social media post, we have some other templates on marketing. So blog article, YouTube video to blog, product description, image to product description, website headline, feedback to web page, and a lot more. And then we also have workflows or templates for sales. And for example, I want to try this lead finder. So let's click on this. Now let's fill all these details. So for example, I want to use this lead finder on this particular company, which is 𝗗𝗃𝗀𝗀. So I have to provide the company name, the website, the role I have to find, and the language I have to select. Then just click on generate. Okay, so for some reason, it couldn't find the lead names of this particular company. And the text says that the LinkedIn profile was not found. But the company, this particular company does have a LinkedIn profile. I think that was not included in this website. That's why they couldn't find it. But hopefully you get the idea how this lead finder is going to work. And on the sales, there are a lot more templates that you can use. So you can personalize LinkedIn request. So let's try this one. So I want to send a personalized LinkedIn request to Bill Gates. So I have to provide his LinkedIn URL, the first name, and the output language. Then I have to click on generate. So let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, now we have got a personalized text that we can send along with the LinkedIn request to this particular profile. So this workflow worked pretty well. So now let's see the other sales workflows. So here are those. There are a lot of LinkedIn and email outreach workflows. So as you can see, we have this generate cold email, sales proposal, icebreaker for cold outreach. And then we also have various templates or workflows for human resource. So as you can see, here are all of those. So for example, I want to use this hire letter, create personalized hire letters to impress new employees. Let's try it. So all I have to do is just provide the job title and then click on generate. Okay, so now we have got the hire letter for the marketing director job title. So here is that. So as you can see, the content is pretty good. And then we also have another upcoming section that is called finance. So you're going to get a lot of important finance related workflows or templates that you can use in order to write various content. And we also have this chat option on Klevere. So just like ChatGPT, you can also chat with the Klevere chatbot. And on ChatGPT, you cannot select the category of your content, but on here you can do that. So it could be marketing, sales, human resource, or finance. So you can ask anything from here. For example, I want some ideas. So give me some ideas for a new startup I can launch in biotech. Let's see what we get. Okay, so that was really fast. And we have got some ideas about startups that we can launch in biotech. We can now open the editor. So we can just copy it to the editor. We can also copy to clipboard, regenerate it, or also delete it. And we also have the AI image generator. So I already got some really good images from Klevere. Let's try another. Let's provide a description on here. So for example, I want to generate an image on Klevere based on this prompt. So I can also select the type for this image. It could be photograph, digital art, artwork, or 3D render. So I want to select photograph. And then I can choose the aesthetic. So these are all the aesthetic options. You can also choose the mood and the lighting for your image as well as the styles. And then just click on generate. Okay, so as you can see, we already have got one image and it looks great. And we also have got another one and I also really like this one. And then we have the recent activity section on the left side. So we can see all of the activities that we have done on Klevere, all of the workflows that we used, all of the categories that we used, last opened, and also I can take some actions. So overall, I have to say Klevere AI is an excellent AI writer. You do not have to waste a lot of time in order to come up with various prompts in order to write content. You have a lot of workflows that are already given on the dashboard. So all you have to do is just provide a little details about your company, about your brand, about the purpose of the content, and then you are going to get exactly what you want. So if you want to buy Klevere AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.